Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal NFC. To begin, ensure your smartphone supports near-field communication and that this feature is turned on in your device settings. Next, you'll need to link your PayPal account to your phone's digital wallet, like Google Pay or Apple Wallet. This setup allows for quick, secure, and contactless payments at compatible terminals, making your transactions incredibly convenient. To enable NFC, first open your smartphone settings. Search for NFC and toggle it on. Once activated, open your preferred digital wallet application, such as Google Pay or Apple Wallet. Follow the prompts to add your PayPal debit card or link your PayPal account directly. This integration ensures your PayPal funds are readily available for tap-to-pay transactions, usually taking just a few moments to set up. When you're ready to pay, look for the contactless payment symbol at the checkout. Open your digital wallet and select your PayPal payment method. Hold your phone within a few centimeters, typically 4 centimeters, of the payment terminal. Your device will usually prompt you to confirm the purchase using your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. The transaction is then processed almost instantly, providing a swift checkout experience. PayPal NFC payments are highly secure, benefiting from advanced encryption and robust fraud protection measures. Always keep your device locked and use strong authentication like a fingerprint or Face ID for added safety. Regularly check your PayPal activity for any unfamiliar transactions. Remember, NFC works over very short distances, usually less than 4 centimeters, minimizing interception risks and keeping your financial information safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.